Hello, I'm here today to talk about the apps that I discovered through the Technology Project 3. The first one I'm going to start with is Paper by WeTransfer. This app is for ages 4 and up, and it pretty much covers art content. It allows students to create digital works of art. And here it provides you with a little demo of different aspects that you can use of the app. But we can go back and add our own journal and look at what we can use. So we have an eraser here, a blending tool, we have a ink pen that we can blend, and then we have a pencil that is pretty light to write with, but we have a marker that is super dark, and then another little pen here, and then a watercolor, which I think is very pretty. We have lots of colors to choose from. You can create many different things. These tools are available in the Pro option of this app, which you would have to pay for, but otherwise it is free, and you can mix colors, choose pictures from your camera roll to collage, or start with a template that the app provides for you. So overall, just a great tool to use to create your own digital art. The next app we're going to look at is Word Boosters. Word Boosters is similar to Duolingo. You can see I have lessons here. I decided to go from English to Spanish. So I have all these lessons that I can do, but they also have informative videos on grammar and English and vocabulary and pronunciation. And then it shows here your journey, all the different categories of words that you've learned. It has some different English lessons, and it shows you your progress on this profile page. But as you can see, it's many different languages available here. This is also for ages 4 and up, so it's a great way for students to learn language and practice vocabulary. The last app I'm going to go through is Tintoast.
What on the set? Rolling action!
This app is all about creating digital stories and reports that students record on their own to either tell a story. We have 2 story options, or we have the science report option. And the cool thing about it is if you click on it, it shows you the different parts that make up a science report, which is really informative for kids. And then we also have the short story options and the classic story. We can look more into the short story and see kind of how it works.
The beginning, where you introduce the characters and the setting of your story.
So it's a good way for them to kind of use what they learn to create a story to be presented in class or turned in. They can pick any different number of settings, or they can draw their own. They can choose characters, or they can draw their own characters. And then all they have to do is just move them around and record. So they talk as if they are the characters. And there are just so many ways that this could be used in the classroom. It's so fun for kids, the cartoons. So it's a great tool for them, and it really promotes 21st century literacies, being able to use technology and be able to use it well. That's about it.